Welcome back to another video. Before I begin, I want to give a big shout out to Glitter Polish Nails, Mandy Coleman and Harshu Nails. Thank you dearies for showing me so much support. Now to begin with, in my last video, I have done these nails as Apridupe and they are still strong and sturdy, and I have polished it with just a simple red nail polish. Now today I will be removing it and will be doing acrylic with all these products. I will remove the polish of these nails with acetone and will be back within minutes. Now I am back, and the products that I will be using for doing my nails is Easy Flow monomer and dip powder from TP. Now I am buffing my nails. You can buff with a white block also. I am showing it to you here, and with any buffer you can buff. You needn't have to buy extra buffer for this. I am buffing the nails because the acrylic will stick properly on the nails. I am dusting it and cleaning it with some alcohol. I am using Feng Sheng Mei's Ultra Bound Acid Free Primer. This is very much optional. If you want, you can use it, but I am using it for security, just so that it does not lift. Now with the acrylic, I am applying on my thumbnail, but I can see this acrylic is not cooperating with monomer. It's really a hard time to do this particular nail. You can see me struggling with this particular dip powder. All the dip powders are not like that. Some dip powders come out to be they don't cooperate with monomer, but in that case what you can do, which I will be also doing, I will mix with this particular color with some clear acrylic. Then this clogging of the acrylic, I mean the dip color, won't be there. Now I am applying some gold flakes on my nail and some pre-mixed glitter. This I mixed it by myself on the nails, and then again I'll be coloring it. The full nail I'll be coloring it, and then I'll be applying a snowflake and some star glitters, you can say, star glitter flakes on my nails. See how wet beads I am using and how I am struggling with the color. It's really a pain. Now I'll be taking very wet bead and is applying it on my nail, and it's very gummy, so I have to encapsulate it with clear acrylic. Now guys, how you are liking my videos? Are you happy with this long videos, or you want me to make short videos? Please let me know. And do you want me to speak throughout the video, or you want me to just give the music and play the full video? Just let me know, then it will be very helpful for me. Now there is a hack I want to show you. While sticking any type of glitter or glitter flakes, use primer, because primer is very sticky, and like monomer it does not evaporate very fast. You can try this hack and let me know how you liked it. Now for my index finger, I am not doing a marble. I am using all the colors and laying it on each other, on top of each other, and on its side also. Now these all the colors are made by me. The bronze color I made it with clear acrylic and bronze mica pigment. The silver that you are seeing also is made up of silver mica with clear and some glitters. And the orange you saw, it was also made out of chalk and some glitters. and only the blue color is a dip powder. So I am laying it just to give it a fall look, like a fall season, how the under the tree how it looks. I wanted to give the look, that type of look. I'll be using the maple leaf flakes also over this. I'm going to encapsulate the index and the pinky with some clear acrylic. I'm not going to use the gel here. Oh, I'm using some glitters also, that I forgot. Actually, when you work in a different manner, and when you give a voiceover, you tend to forget some of the other things. Anyway, I am doing the same thing for my pinky also. Here also I am using all the colors and wanted to give that I told you, under tree, I mean the fall look under the tree, that type of look I wanted to give. But here I am not going to put any maple leaf flake, but instead I am putting some glitters. And see, again I am using the primer to stick the gold flake and the star flakes over it. See how easily it got stuck. Now one thing I forgot to say, that if you want to see the tutorial of après dupe nail video, then it will be linked at the end of this video. Then you can go through it and give your kind review. I also encapsulated the thumbnail with some acrylic, because as you know it was so gummy and I was feeling very horrible with that. So I encapsulated it with clear acrylic, but I forgot to record it. So I beg your pardon for that. Now for the middle finger, I am taking that silver color acrylic which is made by me and ombreing it with some clear acrylic. You will see I will be doing some clear acrylic. I don't know why the camera is not catching the color, it's looking like white, but this one is really silver and it has glitter in it. Now I am applying a foil, a clear foil, to give a crack look, and I will leave it for few seconds, for few minutes, and I am going to the pinky. Here this color also is made by me. I made it with chalk and clear acrylic, and over this I am going to ombre with I'm going to ombre this nail, and over this particular color I am going to mix give the blue glitter. This is also made by me, and I am using that white, the silverish white color. Let me call it silverish white because it is looking more like white rather than silver, and doing the ombre. And I will be using some mylar also to give a snowy look. I'm also going to put a snowflake near the free edge of the nail. There I am putting it. With some, I'm applying some acrylic and then I'm holding it so that it sticks to the nail. Now I am removing the plastic wrap and let me see the effect, how it came. Now see, the effect has came out nice, but later you are going to see that the effect will go off. I am using some holographic chrome powder and also some bluish silver chrome powder. Now the effect has come out very well, but to my disheartening, means I got very disheartened after putting the gel. Everything went off. Anyway, I am putting some more glitter, star glitter flakes on my nail. Now I will be using the builder gel to encapsulate my nail. Now you can see the effect will go away, and I am so sad for this. Now please tell me if anybody can help me by telling me that what I should do to, if this happens, then what I should do to bring back the effect. Please advise, dears. Please do. Now I am also encapsulating the ring finger and will be curing it for 60 seconds. Now my nails are cured. I am wiping the sticky layer with some isopropyl alcohol and will be back after filing and buffing off camera. Now I have already buffed and filed my nails and I am cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. I am taking gelish top coat and some blings, and together with a mold I will be using a bow from there for my ring finger. I am taking gelish gel polish and see how I am putting it inside the mold. Now after putting it, I will be cleaning it with some isopropyl alcohol and then will give it a full cure for 60 seconds. Now see the beautiful bow. Now you hold it in a tweezer and then apply the top coat also, and again you give it a cure for 60 seconds. Now I will apply some clear acrylic and let it set for a while, then put the bow on it, and then to secure it I will add more clear acrylic on the sides so that the bow remains completely secured and it won't fall also very easily, and it will be secured till I remove it. Now I will start putting the blings. I am applying builder gel on those parts where I am going to put the bling, and then over that I am applying the top coat throughout my nail, and then I am applying the blings. In this way you can DIY your bling gel and the blings remain secured until you remove it. This is a very easy process. Many times you don't have the bling gel, so you can use it in this way. It's not that I don't have it, but I wanted to show you, so I have done it this way. After applying the blings, I will give it a flash cure for 10 seconds, and then after applying all the blings, I mean all the blings on all the nails, I will give it a full cure of complete 60 seconds. Why I am flash curing in between? That is because the blings won't move from its place. It will remain in its place, but you have to give it a full cure of 60 seconds after you put the bling, then the blings will be completely secured. Now my nails are completely cured. Now I will apply some cuticle oil on all of my nails. This is to nourish the nail, the cuticle region, and I will give a massage. I have tried to give a fall look on the index and the pinky finger, and all the other nails I have given a winter look. Now let's check the reveal shots. So how do you like my nails? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload. Once more, stay safe and have a nice day or night. Goodbye.